Hello, kaibigan! Ang ganda or gwapo mo naman! Okay naman, from your left. Sabihin niyo ulit, kaibigan! Ikaw rin!
Please welcome our host, a celebrity.
My name is Eliza Macedonia. I will be your host.
Welcome to the 48th NHMC Anniversary.
Ito ba to? Ay, pagkula na niya. Bira, kakantan ko pa bira. Okay, bira, bira. Ay, bira, out ka na, bira, out na, bira. Thank you so much for being here as your candidate. I was also one of your brand ambassadors.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the 48th NHMC Anniversary. Please proceed to the registration area and get ready to enter the Helluverse. Enjoy the K-pop playlist, take photos at the photo wall, and don't forget to grab your light sticks. Thank you.
Hi guys! Welcome to the 48th NHMFC's Helluversary. So, mag-host ulit tayo ng event today. And as you can see, this is K-pop inspired. So, ito yung napili kong outfit for today. I didn't buy anything, just got everything from my closet lang. So, starting off with my hat. This hat is actually from Hong Kong or I think Vietnam, from our previous Christmas travels. And then yung choker is from my teenage years. And the top is from Christian, kaya siya oversized sa akin. And this tube top is thrifted lang. And then this skirt is from Shein. And then this one is also just from the Facebook Marketplace. This one is from H&M. So that's the whole outfit. And of course, the makeup is just makeup by yours truly. Okay ba?
Yeah.
Kasi talagang nilaban ko lang tong outfit na to or yung look na to kasi I didn't want to spend any more money since it's going to be Christmas soon and magta-travel tayo to Thailand and to Japan in the next few weeks. So I have to, save some more money if we can. So, time check lang muna. We are just currently waiting for 4:50 p.m. and it's currently 4:35 p.m. So we have exactly 15 minutes para mag-antay. And I already have here my script and my microphone with me kasi nag-VO na tayo kanina, which I think you just saw earlier. So yeah, that's it muna and wish me luck for this event. Break a leg. Aja aja, fighting!
Please proceed to the registration area and get ready to enter the Helluverse. And just a reminder, as you can see, we have a drop box in front of you. Until 4:30 p.m. lang po tayo tatanggap ng raffle entries. I hope that is clear with everyone. And take photos at the photo wall and don't forget to grab your light sticks. Thank you.
It's tea time! You know what guys, I actually bought coffee from earlier kasi you know naman that I love Starbucks so much. It's just that parang masakit siya sa lalamunan kapag mag-host and I came to love hot teas before I host. And even during kapag may mga short breaks lang in between, I want to drink teas instead kasi it helps soothe my throat. Kumbaga, nalulubricate yung lalamunan ko kasi nga parang nagagasgas siya with all the talking, all the yapping. So, yeah. Tsaa. And this is pure chamomile tea from Dilma. Here's my beautiful assistant. K-pop inspired din siya. From the closet lang din. So, yun yung outfit niya for today. Very pink and white. Love it so much. Kaya, soul sisters kami na itong assistant ko eh. Nagmamodel din siya guys. That's why she's so pretty. Ayun, so I think we're just gonna be waiting for 12 more minutes. Let's go!
Once again, we are highly encouraging everyone to drop your raffle entries here at the drop box. We only have exactly 2 minutes left for you to drop your entries. Thank you.
Please welcome our host, Miss Eliza Macedonia.
Hi! Annyeonghaseyo! Hello! Annyeong! John with Eliza Macedonia, or in other words, hello everyone, my name is Eliza Macedonia and I will be your host for today. Welcome to the NHMFC's 48th Helluversary. Palakpakan naman natin ang ating celebration for today. Ayan, so thank you so much it is such a pleasure being your host today, seeing you all guard up, naka-K-pop outfits, or yung mga katabi niya, pwede niyo po bang tapingin muna yung mga katabi niya from your right? Sabihin mo, kaibigan! Ang ganda or gwapo mo naman! Okay naman yung mga kaibigan niyo po from your left. Sabihin niyo ulit, kaibigan! Ikaw rin! Ayan, so once again, palapakan po natin ang isa't isa for being here tonight. Actually, today, kasi good afternoon pa lang. But for now, let us first welcome our global idols for today's celebration. Please give a warm round of applause to our very important guests, starting off with our president, Mr. Renato Tobias. Hello, sir. Miss Josephine Q. Sarangaya, Acting Executive Vice President. Our Assistant Executive Vice President and Officer in Charge Fund and Asset Management Group, Attorney Joshua Emmanuel El Carino. Our Vice President Office of the Corporate Secretary, Attorney Siegfried Eric G. Lapasara. Our Officer in Charge Securitization Group, Attorney Victor Allen B. Tilao. Ay, sobrang guwapo pala kasi from Saga Boys. And last but not the least, we have Mr. Anthony A. Duvera of the DVP Service Corporation. Gusto niyo na ba pumarty, guys? Gusto niyo na ba simulan agad to? Yeah! Let's keep the energy going because it's time for our first minor raffle draw. So for this one, syempre, this raffle is made possible through the generosity of the Home Mortgage Multipurpose Cooperative. And we will be having 5 lucky winners who will each receive 1,000 pesos. And for this one, we will please call on Mr. Hurley Ceballos to choose our winners from our fishbowl. Please do the honor. 5 po ang pili natin para sa isang iboy natin. And our first lucky winner has this number 1219054. Okay, sana nandito na to. We have 1219141. Sino si 141? I love! Ikaw si 141? Oh my God! Gusto ko mag-rank pa kasi. Can you take a moment to appreciate her? Wow! Grabe! Totoo ba to? Ay, hindi ba? Natatawa ko siya. Totoo from afar. In fairness man, but congratulations! Isa ka sa mga nanalo ng 1,000 pesos from the Home Mortgage Multipurpose Cooperative. So, kung na tayo. Picture taking. Thank you so much po sa inyo mga representatives and to all our winners. Congratulations once again. And now, to kick off our Halleyversary in true superstar fashion, we call on the person who leads our organization with passion, rhythm, and exceptional vision. So, give it up for the headliner for tonight, President Renato L. Tobias. Earlier this morning, NHMFC formally recognized the dedication, excellence, and outstanding service of our employees through the program on awards and incentives for service excellence, commonly known as Praise Awards. And the awards honor employees and teams whose service, commitment, and exemplary performance have significantly contributed to the growth and achievements of the corporation. Just a reminder, we don't have to go upstage. I-mention na po natin ang ating awardees. Alright, so we have, for our 10 years in service, from the Corporate Planning Division, we have Miss Christine Kate C. Jimenez. And akala ko nagtatapos na sa 30 years, but apparently we also have our awardees from the 35 years in service, starting with the Collection and Accounts Management Group, Paz Divina Alcantara Caballero. Ayan guys, so alam ko ayaw nyo na yung mga parang masyadong formal part of the event kasi tapos na tayo dyan. Tapos na tayo dun sa mga formal kaninang umaga. I know that you guys want to party already, but for now, we will be having our second raffle draw. We will be drawing 7 lucky winners and each will take home 2,000 pesos. 1,000 prizes natin guys. Kanina 1,000. This time, 2,000 pesos naman. Ah, nagulat lang. Ano pala magulat? Manigulat mo. Okay, congratulations sa'yo. May 2,000 pesos ka. Sa picture na what we have. Thank you so much to all our raffle winners. So, syempre, ayoko naman na to i-drag na masyado. Without further ado, please welcome our first group performer who will be channeling the charisma of Momoland and the power of Enhypen. Here comes our very own idol, the Securitization Group. Taking the global stage is the executive officers. Grabe ang energy, guys. I super love it. 263, taas kamay. 10, 9, ayan. President. Hindi, 3,000 is 3,000 daw. Huwag kayong magulo.
I give it to may Lucia ba dito?
Lucia daw po. May Lucia daw po ba dito? Lucia? Pagkari na lang Lucia, pangalan ko. Eh, palakpakan naman natin si President Dominguez, guys. It's for his granddaughter now. Alam ko, guys, na nagugutom na kayo kasi nagugutom na din ako eh. But, for now, ready na ba kayong malaman kung sino ang panalo ngayong gabi na to? Ready na po ba kayo? Para makakain na tayo, di ba? Yes! Yes, definitely! So now, of course, we crown the champions of the stage and the groups that brought passion, talent, teamwork, and K-pop energy to the ultimate level. So, tingnan natin kung sino ba sa dalawang grupo ito ang tatanggalin Grand Champion ng ultimate K-pop dance program. Without further ado, our grand champion of the ultimate K-pop dance showdown is Famji. Pero wait lang guys, hindi pa tayo tapos. Kasi akala niyo ba nagtatapos na tayo sa 20,000 pesos? Siyempre, meron pa tayong mas mataas na major raffle prize. Nag-iisa lang po siya. Our winner of 48,000 pesos! Sino kaya ang lucky winner ng 48,000 pesos?
One person, right?
Yes, just one person already. I have been your host, Eliza May Sibilia. Thank you so much for having me tonight. And once again, happy 48th anniversary, everybody. Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our host, a celebrity, a social media personality, a lady influencer, and 2021 Miss Philippines candidate, Miss Eliza May Sevilla.
Wow, thank you so much naman dun sa inyong introduction, engineer. Before we get started, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Eliza May Sibilia, your Miss Philippines Earth 2021 San Juan City, and this afternoon I will be your host and your cheerleader regardless of your scores for today. Welcome to the IIE Tournament Awarding Ceremony, and congratulations to IIE on your 50th Golden Anniversary. Palakpakan naman po natin ang isa-isa. Yeah. Thank you to all our IIE members, guests, sponsors, and golfers for joining us here at Orchard Golf. To begin this momentous occasion, may we call on Engineer Albert Espinida, Golf Committee member and Deputy Governor, Metro South Chapter, to acknowledge our sponsors and honor guests. Palakpakan po natin si Engineer.
Thank you, Miss Eliza, for your introduction.
And now, it's time for our first set of raffles. So for this specific raffle, 6 lucky winners will be given a chance to take home a PGM rechargeable 400, 600-yard golf range finder. Reminder lang po physical presence is required. Bawal po yung nasa CR. Bibilangan po natin kayo. Albert D. stage to claim your prizes. Congratulations po sa inyo. Hindi pa po tayong raffles maya-maya. But for now, since wala pa po tayong list of final awardees sa ibang categories, may we call back ang ating live music entertainment from G7 Band. Palakpakan po natin ang G7.
Hi everyone! So we are currently here in South Grove Estates dito sa Imus, Cavite, and mag-host ako for the first time ng birthday celebration ng baby.
Pleasant afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to South Grove Estates. My name is Elisa Macedonia, and today we celebrate Evan Milan's very first birthday. This is a cozy gathering, so relax, enjoy, and let's make wonderful memories together. Of course, this day is also extremely special for Evan's parents as well. So let us start by hearing a short message from Mommy Mikey and Daddy Aaron.
Maraming salamat sa lahat for giving us time and celebrate namin yung first birthday niya na kasama kayo. Thank you. Yun lang.
Thank you so much for that sweet but short message, Daddy Aaron. Now, may we invite Tito Aris naman po this time to lead us in prayer as we ask for the blessing of this celebration, our celebrant, and all our family and friends gathered here today. Tito Aris?
Good afternoon, everyone. Let us put ourselves in the presence of the Lord.
Thank you so much, Tito Aris. Anyway, para lang ma-check ko lang din yung energy levels nyo, no? Pag sinabi kong hello, sasabihin nyo hi. Let's try that muna for the first time, alright? Hello! Hi! Oh, come on, you can do better than that. Parang ang hina, parang walang energy kasi wala pang pagkain. Ulitin ko ah. Hello! Hi! There you have it. Ganyan dapat yung energy natin, pero taasan pa natin maya-maya. So meron tayong 4 games this afternoon. And itong first game naman natin ay of course napakadali lang. But before that, kailangan po natin mag-invite ng 12 players na merong 3 teams with 4 members. For the knowledge of everyone listening, no, makinig kayo guys kasi ito ang instructions ng game na to. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with this game, pero ang tawag sa game na to ay best in spelling. Hence, kaya kayo may best. Alright. So basically, may tatanong ako mamaya ng mga buktong. Tapos, kayo na ang bahala maglagay kung ano yung tamang sagot. So, pwede kayong nakatalikod, may nakaharap, ganyan. So, isa-spell na lang. Tingnan nyo na lang kung ano yung suot nyo ng mga letters para familiar kayo. Kasi papilisan to, guys. Okay. The first team to get 4 correct answers wins. I have 10 buktong. Alright, so without further ado, let's start with our first buktong. Buktong, kaaway ni Bantay, may siyam na buhay. Go! 1 point for anong pangalan ng team nyo? Pusa! Pusa team! Okay, Pusa team. 1 point for Pusa team. Wala ka naman natin, guys. Huwag na ako ng waiter. Second buktong na, guys. Listen carefully. Kung ang duckling ay bibe, ano naman ang duck? Puto! Puto pala yan ba? O, taas kamay. Pag-ready na, ha? Thank you so much sa lahat ng mga sumali. And with that, we are going to give you your surprise gifts. Thank you so much for pag-sali po. Marami pa tayong mga games, guys, na kahit nakaupo kayo, pwede kayong sumali. Alright? Good news! Dinner is now served. Please enjoy the delicious meal prepared for everyone. You may now fall in line po sa ating buffet area. Thank you! Ito yung tsura ng bottle. Tapos sa bottle na to, sticker yan na picture ni Aven. Kailangan nyo ilagay dito, parang puzzle yan. So, iba-iba siya. Tapos, basically, paunahan kayong mag-chug ng Smirnoff na nasa loob ng chupon. Okay? Easy, easy.
Team Sup daw.
Team Sup Sup! Okay, second team. Ano pangalan nyo?
Chupon.
Team Chupon! Team number 3. Ano pangalan nyo?
Dede.
Team Dede! Okay, Sup Sup, Chupon, Dede. Ang pangit! Ano ba yan? Kakaloka. Anyway, our chugging game 2.0 in 3, 2, 1, go! Tanggal ang kakas talaga kayo dito, guys. Go, 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 go! Magpapinaan ng loob. Thank you so much. Yung mga chupon, sa inyo na lang daw yan. Familiar po ba kayo sa game na Hep Hep Hooray? Huwag kayong mag-alala, hindi nilaro natin. Okay, pero parang ganun. So, di ba pag Hep Hep Hooray, Hep Hep Hooray, Hep Hep Hooray. Eto, hala, bira. Alam niyo yung hala, bira? Ganito yung hala, hala. Bira. Oo nga, yun talaga yung game. Kakaldag po pag bira. Okay. Hindi ako nagpipilog guys, ninalaro natin. Is the instructions clear with everybody? Sample, hala. Bira. Hala. Bira. Bira. Hala. Hala. Ayan, ganyan ha. 1, 2, 3.
Hala.
Bira.
Hala. Bira.
Bye, kuya. Hala.
Bira. Hala.
Bira, hala, bira, hala, bira, hala, bira.
I love it! Out ka na, be! Hala. Bira. Bira. Ay, be! Out ka na, be! Bira ka ng bira. Hala. Bira. Hala. Hala. Tinawanan mo lang ako, be. Out ka na, be. Sige na. Thank you so much. Hala. Bira. Hala. Bira. Hala. Bira. Hala. Bira. Hala. Bira. Hala.
Hey,
Bira.
hey,
Hala.
hey, hey.
Bira. Hala. Bira.
Hala, bira, hala, bira, bira, hala.
Bira. Hala. Bira.
Hala. Bira. Hala. Bira.
Hala.
Bira. Wala na, be. Bira yung sabi niya, bira. Pat.
Bira,
Hala.
bira,
Hala.
bira.
Hala. Bira. Ay, thank you so much for being honest. Sige, pwede ka na umupo. Ha? Bira. Hala. Oh. Okay, game. Paano yung hala? Bira. 1, 2, 3. Hala. Bira. Hala. Bira. Okay, bye girl.
Bira, bira.
We are down to our last 2 contenders. Alam mo, ikaw, Gina G ka din eh. Kunwari ka ba eh?
Hala. Hala.
Hala.
Bira.
Congratulations, Sir Jeff, for winning our Hala Bira. In 3, 2, 1. So thank you so much, everybody, for being here today. And of course, you're welcome to stay and enjoy the rest of the evening until 8 p.m. But of course, the night is still young and pwede pa po tayo magstay ng 55 more minutes. And once again, I am your host, Eliza Nisidelia. Happy very first birthday to our celebrant event. Have a wonderful night, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. While waiting for our program to begin, you are welcome to enjoy some refreshments. Feel free to relax, take pictures, and make the most of the experience while we prepare to begin the program. Ladies and gentlemen, we ask you to kindly settle down and turn off your mobile phones as our program will begin in a few minutes. Maraming salamat po. Good evening, everyone. It's an awesome night right now. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. I welcome you all as Canon presents All the Fire sa Ito. I'm Eliza Macy Delia, your host, and I'm truly honored to be part Operational Excellence, Ms. Linda Stott. Once again, welcome to our year-end party. Please make yourselves at home. Cannon's continued success is all thanks to you. So you deserve to give yourselves a round of applause. Parinig naman po ng isang masigawang palakpakan para sa while each and every single one of you played a part in helping the company achieve its business goals, there have been those who demonstrated their unmistakable service and unparalleled loyalty. And so, we will be acknowledging this year's Cream of the Crop player tonight. And there we forget the final showdown. I heard every division will be going all out with their performances later, so we'll be looking forward sa ating tapatan ng galing. And we'll see kung sino ang tatanggalin the best. By the way, kamusta naman po kayong lahat? Grabe, ang gaganda, ang gagwapo. At sobrang saya po na makita kayong lahat ngayon all got up for this occasion. You better watch out because you might be just awarded as tonight's best dressed. And of course, we would love for you to share your moment from tonight's event. So when you post on Instagram, don't forget to tag at Cannonballs and use our event's official hashtags. Hashtag AllOutLive, hashtag CannonPH Year-End Party 2025, and hashtag Team CannonPH. Are you ready to get our one-of-a-kind year-end party started? There you have it. If so, let's start with a bang courtesy of our special opening performance by the Newbies. Grabe, I really love watching compilation videos like this kasi it makes you realize na ang dami nila pinagdaan. Kasi parang kahapon lang, no? All those achievements you've accumulated are just part of the reason why Canon is where it stands in the industry today. And that is partly why our next speaker is eager to express his appreciation to you all. Let us all welcome Canon Marketing Philippines President and CEO, Mr. Anuj Agarwal. Salamat po, Mr. Anuj Agarwal. To save us the time, we had a brief on the winners before our event even began. Don't worry because no one will go home empty-handed. Yes, you heard that right. Everyone is guaranteed to receive prizes tonight. Paano ba naman natin ating mga applause? So first, I will announce the winners of 500 peso worth of EDF certificates. If you can see your name flashed right here, it only means that you have won. So I can already hear the mga nanalo na iiyawan na sila dyan. So congratulations to our first set of winners. And now, it's time for the much-awaited part of our program, the final showdown, Tapatan ng Galing. In this segment, employees from various departments will showcase their talents on stage, using Filipino culture with modern creativity and providing variety show-level entertainment. To our criteria for judging is as follows: performance flow and execution, 40%; creativity and surprise factor, 20%; props, costume, and theme adherence, 20%; audience impact, 10%; and time limit compliance, 10%; a total of 100%. Excited na po ba tayong lahat? I love the energy, and if so, huwag na natin patagalin pa, and let's begin. For our first performers, let us all welcome the BIS team! And now, we wish you the final showdown Tapatan ng Galing. Ready na ba kayo mapanood ang CII and CSDS department performers? Actually guys, hindi pa ako ready ipakita sa inyo. You know why? Gusto ko lang sana i-share na thank you so much for getting me as your Canon host. In fact, I was also one of your brand ambassadors in Mega Mall last year.